Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out another video. So this video is sponsored by Glowmode, which is SHEIN's activewear line, and I'm super excited to bring you guys the second video with them. Their stuff is so nice, it's high quality, it's soft, and even better, it's at a great price. And I'm here to bring you their Black Friday sale, so definitely keep on watching if you want to see more. Alright you guys, before we get started, let me highlight the subscriber of the day. Alright you guys, clap it up for the subscriber of the day, y'all. And if you want to be the subscriber of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below this video, and I will definitely pick one of the top comments and highlight you in the next video. Alright you guys, so we'll start with the outfit that I'm rocking right now. This one is a sports bra. It's almost like a tank top sports bra. It does have this really cute crisscross in the back that I really like. And it also has an inside shelf bra, which I love. It gives you more support when you're working out or just, you know, when you're wearing the garment. I also like the shape of the top. It's almost like that square look, and I just like how it feels and fits. I paired it with the leggings that they offer. These are the crossover leggings, and I'm gonna give you the specs on all of these items as well. Let me turn around so you can see how it fits. Really soft, super comfortable. So let me grab all the detail. All right, so the deets on the crossover waistband leggings, they're buttery soft. They're $23, which is a great deal. They're on sale for the Glowmode Black Friday promotional offer, which is between November 15th through November 26th. And 250 items, up to 250 items are on sale at 20% off. And SHEIN is accepting coupons. I'll have a coupon code underneath this, and there's also coupons on the website. These crossover waistband leggings, they sculpt and shape your waist, which they definitely do. They promote freedom of movement, and they're perfect for yoga and any type of studio classes or working out in general. And more colors and options are available, so you have a wide range of sizing and a wide range of color options, and you even can mix and match them with the sports bras, which I really like. So you can definitely like get what you want and have it and turn it into a set pair of leggings. The best leggings you're gonna find at this price and this high quality. They're so soft and they feel amazing on, and they really do look great. So I highly recommend the cross waistband leggings, and I definitely love this top as well. The top is very secure and it's very comfortable. I like the design of it, and this color is just so perfect. It's really just a great color. So I will link these two pieces down below and also let you guys know the sizing and the pricing down below as well. I have a few more pieces, so let's go ahead and jump right in. All right you guys, so this is the next piece. This is the, I just want to make sure I'm giving it to you guys right. This is the Glowmode Featherfit Streamline Performance Jacket. Love this. The color is so nice. It's an army green. It has your thumb holes. Very nice. I believe it also has pockets. Yep, it definitely has pockets. Love that. I'm gonna zip it up. Wow, it fits perfectly. And these are another pair of the Featherfit crossover leggings. These are $23. Super soft. Love how soft they are. Definitely have a coupon code for these down below. I love how the jacket fits and that the colors match, so you don't have to worry about if you're ordering SHEIN pieces and you're matching colors over different items. The colors do match, even though you're buying them, you know, as separate pieces. Love that this has pockets. It's so soft and easy to move in, easy to work out in, run, squat, and do everything you need to do in these. They're just super comfortable. Also very flattering. They definitely cinch in your waist, and they definitely make, you know, your shape look really nice and smooth. You're not gonna see any lumps or anything like that in them. I love this set. And again, I'm just wearing the same sports bra as before. You can zip it all the way up. It looks really great zipped all the way up as well. I love this set. This is really nice. So I'll leave links down below to this as well. All right, you guys, so we got another pair of our Feather Fit $23 crisscross waistband leggings, crossover waistband leggings, another color. So I got 4 colors in total. This is the navy blue. I showed you guys the gray, and I showed you guys the army green. Still loving these. These are all in a size medium also, just to let you know. And then this top that I have for you guys is called the Glowmode Feather Fit mock neck top, and this is in a size medium as well. It's a mock neck because you can zip it all the way up, and you can cinch it on the sides. Right now I don't have it cinched at all. Let me back up a little bit. I don't have it cinched at all right now. Again, these leggings are just so incredibly soft. This feather fit is like that barely there but still supportive material that's just soft and just easy to do everything in. And this top is in the same feather fit. When you see that word feather fit, it's this material. It's this like really soft, buttery type of performance fabric that just feels amazing on. I'm loving this white. I feel like it's going to be a little difficult to keep clean, but totally worth it. It's a very stunning, bright, staunch white, and I love it against this navy blue. I don't particularly always like navy blue, but I love these two pieces together. So I have one more pair of Feather Fit crossover leggings to show you guys, and then we will be done with our haul. Sorry guys, forgot to show this top as well. It does have thumb holes. It's a very soft, lightweight material. It's not exactly like the Feather Fit, but it definitely is super soft and comfortable, and it does have the crisscross in the front. Fits kind of like a crop top. I am wearing the gray sports bra underneath. But yeah, very soft and lightweight little mock neck situation. All right, and this is the last pair of crossover Feather Fit leggings. I do want to show you guys how you can cinch this bad boy up if you wanted to. Very cute, cinched up as well. You can zip this up as well. Very cute. So just wanted to do a quick video just to share with you guys the sale that is going on Glowmode. It's from November, it was from November 15th all the way to the 26th. If you guys have questions about the sale or you want to use a coupon code, there's one down below. I think there's also some on the site as well. I know a lot of people want to recommit themselves to working out and going to the gym and getting healthy and fit for the new year. 2023 is coming. So if you do plan to do that, definitely check out some of these activewear pieces. You will be excited to go to the gym when you are looking this cute. Go in there, okay? Period. And even if you are not going to the gym and you're loving your body and your shape just as you are right now, why not add a few comfortable pieces of clothing to your wardrobe this winter and just make yourself look nice and put together when you're running errands, sis. Like, it ain't nothing wrong with a little activewear set, especially at $23 with a coupon code for Black Friday. You heard it here first, all right? I'm just letting you know. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll end this video the way I end all my videos. Share this video with a friend. Share this video with an activewear and clothing haul lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.